Natural Health for Beginners.
Welcome to Natural Health for Beginners. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to make comfrey oil, a natural remedy prized for its healing properties. Comfrey oil is fantastic for soothing muscle pain, reducing inflammation, and promoting skin repair. Let's dive into the process and get started. Ingredients you'll need: dried comfrey leaves and/or root, 1 cup, lightly packed. Tip: ensure your comfrey is fully dried to prevent mold during the oil infusion process. Carrier oil, 1.5 to 2 cups. Best choices: olive oil, sunflower oil, or sweet almond oil. Choose a carrier oil that suits your skin type and preferences. Vitamin E oil, optional, a few drops. Purpose: acts as a natural preservative. Glass jar with a lid, for the infusion process. Cheesecloth or fine strainer, to strain the infused oil. Steps to make comfrey oil: prepare the comfrey, measure out 1 cup of dried comfrey leaves or root. Break them into smaller pieces if needed. Choose your infusion method: cold infusion, recommended for maximum potency. Place the dried comfrey in a clean glass jar. Pour 1.5 to 2 cups of carrier oil over the comfrey until completely covered. Seal the jar and place it in a sunny spot for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking gently every few days. Heat infusion: for faster results, add the comfrey and oil to a heat-proof bowl or double boiler. Warm the mixture on low heat, not exceeding 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius, for 2 to 4 hours. Stir occasionally. Strain the oil. Once infused, use a cheesecloth or fine strainer to separate the oil from the plant material. Squeeze out as much oil as possible for maximum yield. Store your oil. Transfer the strained oil into a clean, dark glass bottle to protect it from light. Add a few drops of vitamin E oil to extend shelf life. Label and date. Label the bottle with the preparation date. Properly stored comfrey oil can last up to a year. How to use comfrey oil: apply directly to sore muscles, bruises, or minor wounds, not open cuts. Use as a base for making salves or balms. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY remedies and wellness tips.